Is this butterscotch? And is this toffee? Hey, toffee. Butterscotch. She was purring earlier. And just when I take out the camera, she stops purring. Aw. Isn't she cute? Aren't they just gorgeous? So you can't really see Toffee. Toffee, come here. Come here. There we are. There's my girls. My girls. They're a little tired, I guess. They're enjoying their company. Oops. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.